morning. It is June 6th, 2024, and we're going car spotting. Today we are driving to Lincolnton, and we will be picking up two of my friends, Laura and Bones, who are not only photographers, but they are also both van dwellers, which is crazy. We met up a little over a month ago in Uwharrie National Forest with our vans, had a great time. They did some scouting for me yesterday, so today I'm going to cash in. If you guys are real ones, you probably remember I climbed that tree right there in one of my first vlogs. Boy, we've come a long way. Do you guys give me permission to film you?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, really watch the fucking floor. Because it is sketchy.
Yeah, we're on a walk there.
Oh, wow. This is true.
Yeah, that's my rule of thumb. Also, like when I used to explore abandoned buildings, like if you have a camera with you, most people, even if they're annoyed, they'll just be like, all right, leave.
Hello, sweetheart.
It's got the thing on it.
Yeah, rubber ducky.
Yeah. So just a week later, this is what that same area looks like. The buildings are gone, the pavilion's gone, the van is gone. It's a good thing we got here when we did. If you live anywhere around Lake Norman, you know that this is a huge thing going on right now. So friends, family, explore while you still can. Do anything for the shot before you lose the chance. Acting here.